Students, after we have provided filter for you from NCERT and after that selecting easy and medium questions, almost every day I receive one message from a student because you have my number. Sir, what if NEET 2021 is tough? I want to clear one thing to you. When we have provided these filters, the idea is not that paper is going to be easy 100%. We don't know that. That is going to be decided by NTA. The idea is you slowly build confidence because learning progress happens from easy to medium to difficult. If you directly jump to medium, you can develop fear of the subject of the chapter, and that fear might be very difficult to go away. Once you start building confidence, you will be able to build confidence to practice difficult questions also. And please understand, we are providing online coaching, right? In online coaching, you are not sitting in front of us. It is our responsibility to make sure that when you start practicing questions, you don't come across questions which you would instantly find difficult. You will try and solve two questions, you're not able to solve them, and you will never come back to that chapter and fix it in your head that you will not be able to do physics. You don't understand gravitation. That is going to be absolutely wrong for you and for us. It is our responsibility that we ease your preparation. We want you to jump like this. We don't want you to go like this. If you go like this, you fall on your face and you would develop a fear. What I've told you, watch videos, take notes, correct? After that, read NCERT, right? After that, practice questions. This most of you would be able to do. But at this point of time, this is the moment of truth. A lot of students start practicing questions. They come across difficult questions in the beginning and they give up question practice. We want this process to become easy and enjoyable. We don't want you to run away. Once you start enjoying it, once you start developing confidence, you would be able to solve difficult questions because we will never be stopping you. It's not as if we have removed hard questions from our platform. Hard questions are still there. But what I'm saying is, you should focus on syllabus completion first, and after that spend time on difficult questions. No one is stopping you. Anyways, it is an online course. We are trying to promote self-paced learning. You will decide at what level you want to go. But all of that starts from point 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Sky is the limit. Wherever you want to go, you can go. But that is not a problem, right? And after that, we expect you to write mock test, right? In mock test also, what we try and do is, we set the paper as 50, 50, 70 means bio you should be able to do in 50 minutes, chemistry you should be able to do in 50 minutes, and physics you should be able to do in 7. It takes 100 hours for our faculty to set up this test paper at the level in which you would go in, you will attempt 2-3 questions and then you will run away. We don't want you to do that. We want you to attempt the paper. We want you to develop confidence. And it so happens that NEET exam is now coming easy, but that doesn't mean that every year it is going to be easy. We are just telling you that focus on basic things first, complete your syllabus. After that, you want to practice difficult questions of any chapter. That option is also available on the platform. No one is stopping you from practicing, selecting NCERT filter, then practicing hard questions, or not even selecting NCERT filter and practicing hard questions. No one is stopping you. But the idea is, we want you to ease into this aspect, question practice. A lot of times students start with difficult questions, they develop fear, and then they stop practicing. So hopefully I've explained it to you. We don't want you to run away. If you are standing there, if you are continuously working hard, if you see attempts happening, you practice easy questions, you got all of them right, then you started practicing medium questions, you are getting them right, you will develop confidence. And once you develop confidence, you will be able to solve hard questions. So one final thing, when I say that NEET paper might be easy, this is enough. Don't take my word on it. Don't think that this is where NEET paper is going to come from. There is no guarantee that questions in NEET exam are going to be from neetprep.com. The idea is to help you develop confidence in question practice, help you develop concepts. Once you develop concepts, there is no difference between easy and difficult question. It's just that you develop fear and you are not able to continue your preparation. If you continue your preparation, you will be okay, and continuing preparation requires going stepwise rather than jumping and falling on your face and developing fear. All right, students.